Hey guys, I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is HP Officejet 8015e. We're going to unbox this printer, check it out, see what is inside. This printer is using ink cartridges 912. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, triple in one. Now what we have here is the information pack is right here, okay, in various languages. Officejet 8015 series, and this printer is 8015 to be precise. And here is the ink cartridges 912 ink cartridges. It's included. So here is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. What we're going to do is remove the packing and there we go. You can see, very light. It's very compact. It's not heavy. Open it up here. There we go. This gear is for office use, for student work, for businesses, for small businesses. From what we can see here from the back, the power cable goes in here. Port here is for USB cable spot. Unfortunately, it's not included in the packaging. I'm going to show you what it looks like. The USB cable. Here is the USB cable. It's universal. Canon can use it. Epson can use it. Various printer can use this. And the essence of it is you connect, stick it inside here, okay? And this flat end goes to the back of your PC. Okay, so this is the overview from the back. And this is the automatic document feeder. It allows you to scan document, multiple pages of documents in one go, okay? And here is the scanner, flat bell scanner. Stick your document, ID card, whatever you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner. Select the function from LCD screen. This is the button casket. This is the button casket. You load various sizes of paper, A4 paper, various sizes of paper, and adjust it with the holder. So this is the button gasket, okay? You can extend this. If you want to extend it, you need to press this here to extend it. So press it, okay? Press it here for you to extend it, okay? Or bring it closer, okay? Because you can actually load A4 paper 4 by 6, 10 by 15 centimeter. So various sizes of paper. You just need to adjust it, okay, to particular paper you are using, okay? If you want to extend it further, it will be A4 paper, okay? So if you bring it closer, then load particular paper you want, okay? And if you want to open it up, you need to press this to be able to open it. Now what we need to do is switch this printer on. This is LCD screen. You can bring this up. Now this printer, you switch this printer on and off from right here. Just on top here is where you switch it on, the on and off button. You can print up to 18 prints per minute for black color and up to 10 prints per minute for color. This power cable goes in here, stick it inside. Okay, so I'm going to turn this printer around. Now the next thing we need to do is plug it in to the socket. Okay, so we have the socket here, so I'm going to bring the socket. So plug it in to the socket, push it inside, okay? Once you are ready, you can see the light is on, showing you that the light is come on straight away. Now what we need to do is, basically, once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is follow the instruction on the screen. Wait for the printer to be ready. Right now it's initializing. We need to select the language, English language. If you live in different countries that speak different language, then you need to scroll down and select your language, okay? Right now it's asking us, have you selected English as your language? Click confirm, yes. Okay, so this is touch screen. Then the next thing you need to do is scroll down. You can see US, Canada, UK. So if you scroll down and check the country that you want, okay, by scrolling down,